on the yak and get it popping, man. I don't know what I'm gonna do out here, but I do know I'm gonna have some fun, as cold as it is. Y'all come along. Ah, yes. So you're probably wondering why I'm walking back down the ramp again. Oh man, well, forgot my Sharpie to mark my identifier. I normally carry one in my pocket of my vest, but for some reason it ain't there. So I had to walk all the way back up to my truck to get a pen, and the pen barely worked. So I hope that's legible. I will make it work, man. Y'all know how these tournaments go for me. I'm just here. I'm just here, enjoying the company. Let's get in this daggone yak and finally start doing something. Come on, Nick. Anvil, boy. Come on, play nice. Play nice, guy. Okay, okay. It's cold out here, y'all, but we got us a fishy. We got us a little fishy, man. Hey, no skunk. Let's just get them measured, and then we can celebrate the victory. Oh yeah, hey guy, you're a good guy. You gonna measure for us? All right. No. Don't do that. No. Bruh. Oh, can I get you 14 and a half? I can. All right. First fish, 14 and a half. We on there, y'all. All right, guy. Shoot, peace to you too. Well, all right. It's cold in the mofo, y'all, but we're gonna try to make it work, man. That was the first fish. Well, let's go, y'all. We are on the board officially. As cold as it is out here. Probably nose all snotty. Guess what? I ain't cleaning it. Don't judge me. Ain't nothing else popping over here, man. I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna go somewhere else. I ain't even gone nowhere really. I mean, I literally just went across from the ramp. So I'm gonna keep trucking along. See if we can come up with something. Ah, it's cold, man. You come off here. Come on, guy. I was just getting ready to turn around and go somewhere else to fish. Oh, shoot. Come on, little buddy. You might catch us. You might help us out there, man. Goodness gracious, man. Let's see what we can get. He might go 12 or so. Alright, close your mouth. Come on, man. Come on, come on, come on. Relax yourself. Yeah, we'll take him. Alright, number 2, man. 13 3/4. Yeah, I was, hold on. Bye, guy. Get ready to move out of here. I was like, I'm gonna make a couple casts right here, and I'm turning to make a decision to go the other way. I was pulling that back to the boat, man, and voila, magic. Got a bite. Got about 4 hours left, I think, if my math is right. So we'll stick with it, man. Maybe we find something off this little point here. Maybe we won't, man. We're gonna find 3 more points, and then we'll catch a limit if we we can keep this going. Well, folks, we are back to the usual. 2 fish, an hour left. I ain't had not a single another bite, man. I thought I'd be able to put something together with this crankbait, chatterbait, but nope, nothing since, man. Like I said, not even a bite. So we got an hour left. We're gonna fish it out, see where that puts us at. Nobody can upload anything really because there's no reception out here, so we are kind of gotta wait till we get back to the campsite, or back to Lopez anyway, to try to upload these doggone photos, man. We'll see. I guess tonight maybe we'll see where I'm at. I don't really care where I'm at. 2 fish don't really matter, man. So maybe I made the wrong decision. I should have broke left instead of breaking right. That might be it. Them guys that came from this way said they ain't catch nothing down here. My ass said all right and went that way anyway. So we'll see how the guys on the other end, how they did. But let me finish up. We'll finish up fishing down here, and we'll make our way back to the ramp and get up out of here, man. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna do it for me, man. It's about 10 minutes left. I'm gonna go ahead and make my way back to the ramp and call it a day for your boy. Day 1 is over for me anyway. 10 minutes left, like I said. But yeah, I'm getting off, man. I don't know, guys. I don't know what it is with me, man, but y'all see. Just a couple fish. That's it, man. Tough bite, man. We'll see how everybody else did, but yeah, this don't help me at all. So let me get up out of here, man. Catch y'all back at the site, maybe, and we'll go get something to eat, and we'll be on to day 2 in the morning. What up, boys and girls? Day 2. We on Lopez for day 2 and day 3. So here we are. It's day 2. Lines in 7 o'clock. Guess what time your boy is in the water? 7:53. Yeah, I know how I roll, man. Anyway, yeah, we out here. I don't know where I'm gonna go. Never fished this place before. Didn't pre-fish it. I showed up and then didn't even get in the water on pre-fish day. Matter of fact, I came all the way down to the ramp or the beach, unloaded my kayak, put it in the water, and and I didn't do anything. I put it right back on the doggone trailer and hung out for a little bit and then left. So that was my pre-fish. I came to look at the water. But anyway, we're back out here, man. We're gonna see what we come up with. Should be another tough day, I imagine. Maybe I catch a smallmouth though. If I catch a smallmouth, I'll be happy. But yeah, let me get up out of here, see where I'm going. That's a good one. Oh, he's barely in there too. Stay on there, buddy. Stay on there. There we go, y'all. Oh. There we go. Ooh. That's a pretty little fish, man. Whoa. That's a good fish, man. Solid little guy. Okay, buddy. You are appreciated. Because we were having a tough go at this, man. You just be still. Oh, that's a good fish, man. All right, man. 18 inches. We'll take it, man. Jeez. All right. We love you. Well, we on the board, man. Crankbait, no skunk, 18 inches. Well, I guess we're gonna keep doing that, man. Something's wrong with my front camera though, man. I really want to get that fish on camera, but this camera, I don't know, it turned on this morning and then it wouldn't work again, so I don't know. But new battery was in there. We'll see what's going on. Oh, he's a little guy. Hey, little buddy. You're not gonna help me out, are you? Let's check. I don't think he goes 12. We can't even make him go 12. Oh shit. Oh, shit. Maybe that'll grab him with an extra inch. Don't fall up. Not 12. Thanks, though. got one, boys. Oh, we got a good one. Come on. Stay in there, please. Stay in there. Stay down. Oh. Is it a bass? Oh yeah, it is. Yeah. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Yeah. It is a bass, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, man. Oh, he got that good. We gotta figure out. We gotta pull the pliers out for this guy, 'cause that ain't nothing but trouble. Jeez Louise. All right, 16 and a half. That's a fat fish, man. That fish probably weighs, I don't know, 2.5, 3, well, about 3 pounds. All right, my guy. Sorry it took so long. Peace out. Oh, man. All right, man. Yo, I found a little something. It's a lay down under here when I lay down. It's a brush pile down here, man. So I'm hitting that, man, and they're on there. I just hate that it takes them so long to get this fish off, because there's a bunch down there. That's for sure. I just hope I don't waste too much time getting that guy off, man. See if we can get one more. Shit, if we can get 2 more off this pile, I'll be loving it, man. Fish. Oh, there's a slob too. Get over here. Oh, and that joint popped out too. Oh man. Yo, y'all, listen. So far I'm having a great morning. And I'm trying to hold my excitement in, but right now, and I'm gonna tell you why I'm excited. Not because I'm catching fish, it's because I'm making the right decisions, man. There's some brush down there, man, and oh, this dude is feisty. Look at that, something. That's a long one too. And like I said, I was cranking down there. I seen them. There's a ton of them down there. They're not biting like I want them to, so figure, let me just drop my jig down there, see what we can do, and that's what we can do. So I'm just keep working this, man, and hopefully it will pay off for me, because Lord knows I need it, man. Right, you just be still for me. Okay, that's a 17. 17, y'all. We in there, man. We in there. We in there. We're making progress, man. Alright, so it's 3. We need 2 more. It's 11 o'clock. We need 2 more fish, man. So, what do you say, guys? We go back with the jig. Why not? Why not? Let's go. Ah. Ah. I lost him. Alright, whatever. Oh, I needed that guy. Dang it. Man. Alright, Zack, forget about it. You know they here. Golly, that sucks. I messed that up. I lost that because of me. Oh, we got another bite. Stay down. Stay down. Okay. Get in the net. Get in the net. Yep, y'all. Guess what? My camera works. The front one works now, y'all. Ooh, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Let's go, y'all. Dang, that one I lost, that would make 5. Oh, they chunky too, baby. They chunky too. Look at that. Let's get them on the camera, man. Oh, your boy is really excited right now. In case y'all couldn't tell by my calm demeanor. But we gotta get these fish, man. This ain't even about placing nothing. This is about just getting a limit, succeeding in something. You know what I'm saying? This is for y'all, man. This is for everybody that watches my channel, that supports me. These fish is for y'all. No doubt about it, man. All right. I don't even know how long that was. I think it was like 15, maybe. All right. Peace, you guys. Man, so we went an hour after that last fish, no catches, right? So we do that jig a lot. Wind change, you can't tell, but I turned around. So wind's coming this way, so I want to cast back into the wind. So paid off, but it took me an hour and a half to get that fish. So I got 2.5 hours to get one more. Let's go, people. It's a little guy, and we're gonna take that one. Okay, we're gonna take that one, y'all. We are gonna take that. Well, I'm trying not to cuss on y'all. We're gonna take this mother effing little guy for sure. Absolutely. I don't give a dang how small he is. We're gonna take him. We're gonna put him on this little board. He better be 12. We're gonna measure him. We're gonna be happy. Tell me you're 12 inches, little dude. Yeah, you are. You're in there. Like swimwear. My people say, hey, y'all. No crazy stuff. No crazy stuff. Oh, he just bit me. Oh, he's biting me. 13 1/4. Double check. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, 13 1/4. That's my limit, man. All right, let's go, man. We got 2 hours left, man. 2 hours left. Peace, my friend. All right, yo, we got our limit. So here's the thing. Do we go somewhere else and save these fish for tomorrow? Or do we say, F it, we going for the glory. We catching everything, man. And just keep on casting, man. What do we do? I don't know. Honestly, I'm gonna stick around. I'm gonna keep catching fish. I'm gonna try to call, like my smallest fish was that last one I just caught, 13 1/4. So I got 2 hours left and the wind's picking up. There's no point in me trying to go back anywhere else and find fish, man. Like, I'm gonna sit here and see if I can cull up some, get rid of that, cause I got an 18, 17. I don't even know what I got. Let me stop lying to y'all. We got 13, 15 1/2, 17, 16 and some change, 18. So we can get rid of them 13s and that little 15 dude. Maybe. Let's see. I am gonna probably take off this crankbait. This is the only one I got in this color, I believe, and it's working. So I don't want to keep loose. I didn't got unsnagged I don't know how many times, thankfully, but it's the only one I got. Ouch. That color, I believe. Yeah, the only one. And I don't want to lose it. And those are all too big. So I might tie on something else. I got the chartreuse one. Is that the same one? Nah, not the same. I'm gonna tie this guy on. Kind of the same color. That way if I lose this one, I'm cool. I'm okay, because I know I've got a backup. Okay. Okay. That's a call, maybe. Yeah. That's a call. Gotta be. Yeah. Okay. All right, buddy. I'll get rid of that 13. Get us a 15 1/4. Okay. 15 and a quarter. Let's go. Okay, we got an hour left, man. I'm gonna keep working it. Man. Keep trying to call. So we just called out the 13. Now we gotta call out I believe a 14 or something like that. I think I got a fish. Oh, I do. I don't know if he's a call on that. Oh, it's a smallmouth. Oh, man. I wanted a smallmouth. But he's not going to call. But shoot, we're going to add him to the collection. Oh, this dude don't want to come in. Hey, buddy. Oh, I hooked him in the back. That's... Oh, man. Does he call my 15? I don't know. Nah, he's not. Did I have a 14? Don't matter. We gotta get rid of... Alright, guy. Definitely snagged him. Nah, he's not gonna call. He's not gonna call anything, but we still gonna take a photo of this guy because I ain't caught a smallmouth in a long time. Alright, buddy. Nice little smallmouth though. We like him. Alright, y'all. 1 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock, man. Line's out. Today was a day that I could be proud of, man. I tell you that much, man. Found some structure, and decided to go after it, man. Cranking. All but that first fish was on this pile over here. So hopefully we can keep it going tomorrow, man. Hope I ain't kill the spot, and hopefully that no one saw me catching fish here and I come here tomorrow and there's somebody sitting on it. I will be highly upset. Which means I can't get up in the morning super late like I did these last 2 days, man. So now, I mean, I got a dog in the fight, sort of. I might get up on time just to make sure I make it here first. Hopefully everyone wants to go run back to the far back of the lake, man, and they just bypass the spot. So anyways, man, let's get back. Let's go set up the tent, get something to eat, upload these photos, and we'll catch y'all in the morning, man, for day 3. All right, peace. And welcome back, you guys. Day 3, man. I'm actually early. I'm actually super early because as you can see, everybody's here, and I'm here. I still don't know what place I was in. I was told I was in 13th place. I never look. Trust me, I never look. I'll look when I go home. So we're gonna try to go back to that same spot. Hopefully no one saw me catch a fish and no one's there before me, so I will try to make it there first. But that's the plan. We're gonna keep cranking and keep on that jig and see what we come up with, y'all. But we'll wait here. It's 6:44. We gotta do the anthem and then we'll roll out at 7 o'clock. First fish. Jig. Oh, and it's a giant. And it's a giant too. First fish. First fish of the day. Back on my spot, man. Oh. It's a giant, dog. Oh, it's a giant, bro. Oh my gosh. Please, nobody look at me. We gonna bounce this jig. Oh, she don't want to play. She don't want to play, boy. Oh, man. $19 3/4. Oh man, that's a solid fish. I'm not gonna weigh her. She's blind in one eye. Boy, just start the morning off, man. Whew. That's a big girl right there, boy. Let's get her back in. 19 3. Oh, let me double check something real quick. I forgot to look. All right, let's get her out of here, man. Go back down there, boy. Ooh-wee. There we go, folks. We got one in there. 7:30. 20 minutes. Man, it feels good, y'all, to get one early enough. Hopefully I don't jinx myself. You know, this time yesterday, I was still unloading my kayak. When I caught that first fish, I think it's probably around 8:30, 9 o'clock maybe. So, yesterday? I don't know. Normally when I catch a fish early like this, my rest of the day is pretty poop. So, hopefully that's not the case. Hopefully this spot is still holding. I mean, I've seen them down there. So, just want to make sure they still eating. With the jig and the crankbait. But yo, yesterday we started off with the the crankbait first. But today we gonna work the jig first. See what we can come up with, man. See if they still want that. Because if I am in 13th place, I mean, I don't really have a shot to make top 5, to make any money. But you know, it's all about the pride here, man. If I can crack top 10, it'd be great. I mean, no money. Top 10 would be shit. I was gonna say top 10 would be my best finish this year. 13th place is probably my best finish this year too. That's how bad I fished in tournaments this year, man. So shoot, 13th, yeah, I'll take it. We're gonna give the jig a little rest. And we're gonna run with this crankbait for a second or two and see if they want that right now. I actually want to throw the jerkbait right now. But I'm gonna wait. Well, that worked. That worked. Oh, we made a mistake. Ah, we lost it. Jesus. Oh, we don't like that. We don't like that. We can't do that. Man, y'all. What do? You go right back. You go right back. Dang it, it came off, man. Ooh, that one hurt. I played that wrong. Played it wrong. I tried to horse that fish in. Forget about it. Keep it moving. Couldn't tell how big it was. It looked like it was probably about 15 or so. Yikes. Yikes, guys. There we go. 3 hours later. We threw a lot of stuff out there just now, man. Jig. I just lost my A-rig. Man. Back to the crankbait. Another good one. Oh no, not quite 15. He's more like a, oh, I can get you 15 if you help me out here. I just need you to close that jaw, please. Close it just like that. Keep it closed. Give me that 15, please. Alright. 15, man. Double check this picture real quick before I drop this guy off. There we go. Alright, there we go, man. 15-inch. Fish number 2. Thanks, homie. Okay, y'all. 3 more to go. We got time. We're not leaving this spot. Catching our fish somehow, some way. I was going through my crankbaits, man, and I don't really have a lot that I want to throw, that I can throw on the 2 rods that I have. I have this rod, my Curado medium crankbait rod, and then I have my Dobyns glass rod. But that glass rod won't let me throw anything that's really going down past 15 feet. It's just too much on it, I feel, man. I feel like anything 12 feet and below is cool on that glass rod. Yeah, this one, so, and I'm out of rod, I'm out of crankbaits, man. I got a few crankbaits that go down to 8 feet, maybe 10 feet that I can throw on there. But I want to be able to alternate between those 2 rods and depths. So we're gonna keep going with this crankbait, man. We're gonna keep throwing it, see if we can pull some more out that little bush down there. Well, y'all, it is 12 o'clock. 1, 2, 3 hours left, man. 2 fish. This is about where I was last time as far as how many fish I had. I had about 2 fish or maybe 3 fish at this point yesterday. So, I mean, hopefully things pick up in this area, but this wind is starting to get a little disrespectful. I don't appreciate it, so I might call it earlier than what I want to, depending on how bad this wind get, because this ain't what the forecast said. But when is it ever right? So we're gonna sit here, man. We're gonna still jig it out. And the crankbait, I done lost so many crankbaits, it's ridiculous, man. So I'm down. I still got my one good one that I was catching on yesterday. So hopefully, man, I don't get snagged, because I also lost my doggone lure knocker too. So if that joint gets snagged, that's a wrap. 1:30 on the deck, son. 1:30 on the deck. Hey, 2 o'clock I'm rolling. I'm calling it. 2:30, I gotta call it. Ooh. Yeah, nothing. I ain't got nowhere else to go. But we knew this is what happened, right? If they ain't on here tomorrow, like I said, it's gonna be a tough one, because we ain't got no plan B. And I literally just tied this jig on and it got snagged already. Alright, yeah, it's a wrap, y'all. I'm about to go out on my sword, go ahead and throw my last crankbait and see what she do. Like it's not time on another day, jig. I'll see y'all in about 30-something minutes if this don't go well. Alright, guys. We're gonna turn it off. 10 minutes till 3. Only got those 2 fish, man. That's the end of my tournament, man. It was a blast, man. I had a lot of fun. Apologize for the wind, and it's pretty windy right now, but I had a lot of fun out here, man. Day 1 wasn't so well. Only 2 fish at Santa Margarita. No worries. Next day, day 2. Day 2 was awesome here at Lake Lopez, man. Found some stick-ups, laydowns, brush pile, whatever it was. Found them down there, man. They were crank and jig. and got my limit plus. I think I caught probably 8 or 9 fish. Only one wasn't scoreable. Matter of fact, I think 2 wasn't scoreable. But man, we had some fun, man. Had some fun on day 2 for sure. And then day 3 was I don't know, man. We caught that one early. Y'all know I hate catching fish early, man, but it was a good one. 1975, man, the biggest fish of the tournament for me, anyway. And then we caught another one on the jig, well, on the crankbait, but that was it, man. It wasn't working, and I knew that was gonna happen to me, right? I knew there was a chance that spot wasn't gonna be holding fish again. I was hoping it would. I didn't have no plan B. I know how I roll, man. I ain't got no plan B. I just roll up, man. I found something I liked, and I hoped it would do the same thing for the next day, but it didn't, and those are the breaks, man. So it is what it is, man. I had fun. Last tournament in California, more than likely. As y'all know, I'm leaving in March, so I had fun. ABA was fun. It was a fun tournament. This Ironman series this year was great. You know, they did, 2 days instead of last year when they did just the 1 day. So 2 days was fun. Only made 3 plus this one. But I still had a good time, man. A lot of cool guys here. So look forward to seeing y'all again. Maybe sometime in the future. Maybe I'll come back to California for whatever reason. I don't know what that would possibly be, but I may make it back here. But again, man, let me get up out of here, pack up. I'm probably not gonna stay for awards, man, because I gotta get home. So as soon as I pack up, I'm rolling out. If you enjoyed this video, man, hit that thumbs up button, please, and hit that subscribe button. If you're not subscribed already, leave me a comment, and as always, I'll get back to y'all later. Peace.